Seniors, your muscles are vanishing missing this one food. Welcome to Elders Companions, where staying healthy, strong, and independent is our mission. If you're looking for practical tips to keep living your best life, you're in the right place. Today, we're uncovering a surprising secret about muscle loss and the one powerful food that could help you fight back. Stay tuned. Seniors, what if I told you your muscles are disappearing, and there's one simple food that could help bring them back? If you've been feeling weaker, slower, or less independent, this could be the most important message you hear today. Don't miss out on the secret to staying strong and active well into your golden years. Muscle loss, or sarcopenia, is not just a part of aging. It's a condition that can dramatically reduce quality of life. It increases the risk of falls, fractures, and long hospital stays. But what if preventing or even reversing this condition was as simple as changing what you put on your plate? The truth is, many seniors are missing a critical nutrient found in one powerhouse food that could help maintain and even rebuild those vanishing muscles. Let's get real. Our muscles are what keep us moving, living, and enjoying life. But as we age, we naturally lose muscle mass. In fact, after the age of 30, muscle mass declines by about 3–5% per decade. By the time many hit their 70s or 80s up to half of their muscle mass may be gone. That's not just a number, it's the difference between independence and reliance on others. So, what is this missing food that could be the game changer? Believe it or not, it's protein-rich foods, with a spotlight on high-quality sources like lean meats, dairy, legumes, and particularly eggs. Yes, eggs. This humble, affordable kitchen staple is packed with high-quality protein, essential amino acids, and nutrients that help maintain and rebuild muscle mass. But why eggs? Eggs are nature's perfect protein. Each egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, along with vitamins D, B12, and choline nutrients essential for muscle maintenance and nerve function. What makes eggs so effective is their bioavailability. In simple terms, your body absorbs and uses egg protein more efficiently than most other sources. For seniors struggling with muscle loss, this makes a huge difference. But here's the thing, many seniors aren't getting enough protein. Studies show that older adults need more protein than younger adults to maintain muscle mass, yet most don't meet the recommended daily intake. Experts suggest seniors aim for at least 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. That means if you weigh 70 kg, about 154 lbs, you should be eating around 70–84 grams of protein a day. Why aren't seniors getting enough? Well, appetite often decreases with age, and chewing or digestion issues make protein-heavy foods less appealing. Not to mention, there has long been a myth that high-protein diets are bad for kidney health. But guess what? For most healthy seniors, higher protein intake is not only safe but essential. And it's not just about protein. Eggs are also a top source of leucine, a powerful amino acid that plays a crucial role in muscle protein synthesis. Simply put, leucine is the key that turns on your body's muscle-building switch. Without enough leucine, even if you eat protein, your body struggles to build or maintain muscle. But don't just take our word for it. Research has shown that seniors who increase their protein intake, especially with high leucine foods like eggs, experience better muscle retention and improved strength. In one study, seniors who consumed a high-protein diet, along with resistance exercise, significantly increased their muscle mass compared to those who didn't. Speaking of exercise, let's not forget the other half of the equation. While eggs and protein are critical, muscle won't grow without movement. Resistance training, weight-bearing exercises, and even simple activities like walking or gardening can stimulate muscle growth and strength. Pair this with a protein-rich diet, and you've got a powerful combo. But why eggs over other protein sources? For starters, they are affordable, easy to prepare, and gentle on the stomach. Whether scrambled, boiled, or folded into an omelette, eggs fit seamlessly into any meal. Plus, they are versatile. Add eggs to salads, whole grain toast, or mix them into oatmeal for an unexpected protein boost. Now, some of you might be wondering, but what about cholesterol? It's a fair question. Eggs have long been misunderstood due to their cholesterol content, but current research tells us that for most people, dietary cholesterol doesn't significantly impact blood cholesterol levels. In fact, eggs are now considered a heart-healthy choice by many experts. Of course, it's not just about eggs. Other high-protein foods like chicken, fish, legumes, and dairy also play essential roles. But eggs stand out for their convenience, affordability, and nutrient density. The key is to ensure you're hitting your daily protein target consistently. So, how do you start? First, aim to include a high-protein food with every meal. Start your day with eggs or Greek yogurt, have some grilled chicken or legumes for lunch, and finish with fish or lean beef for dinner. Snacks can also help fill the gaps. Think cottage cheese, nuts, or a protein shake. Don't wait until muscle loss becomes noticeable. Prevention is the best approach. If you're already experiencing muscle weakness, it's not too late. Increasing your protein intake and staying active can still make a substantial difference. In conclusion, muscle loss is not inevitable. With the right nutrition and lifestyle choices, you can maintain strength, independence, and quality of life well into your golden years. And while there's no magic pill, eggs and other high-protein foods come pretty close. So the next time you make a grocery list, don't forget to stock up on this muscle-saving powerhouse. Stay strong, stay healthy, and don't let muscle loss slow you down. Make every meal an opportunity to fuel your body and keep doing the things you love.